Hi guys, in this video we are going to see what are the top 5 frameworks we can use for desktop development, which will be in Python language. Okay, so as we know that Python is an easy programming language, and even for beginners they can start writing code as quickly as possible because it is not a difficult task to know the concepts, and that's why it makes one of the most used programming language around the world. And in addition, it has many tools, huge collections in libraries, integrated features with vast user base. So along with the vast code base, Python keeps adding new stuffs in every department that makes things easier for development. Okay, so in this video, we are going to see what are the top frameworks for desktop development. And desktop developments means we can create and desktop apps using Python, which can be ran in any desktop. Okay, so first let's get start with PyQt. PyQt is an application and GUI toolkit framework with one of the most powerful and popular Python interface. It has an Qt library and Python programming language that allows user to create programs by coding and create visuals by Qt designers. Okay, it is free to use binding software with open source widget toolkit implemented, and it has a Python framework that can help developer to build cross-platform web, desktop, and mobile applications. Okay, it is available for all platforms, including Windows, Mac OS, mobile, and Linux. Next framework is the Tkinter. It is one of the most popular programming framework for desktop apps and GUIs. It is a combination of TK and Python GUI frameworks. It is named as Tkinter because of its simple UI and UX. Okay, development beginners can easily use it for Python desktop applications. Uh, it will not take much time to learn this Tkinter, and you can directly start building desktop applications. It has an abundant source of codes and reference books that makes it popular choice. And in addition, it has various widgets like label, buttons, and almost everything you might need in your Python desktop development process and GUI designing. Okay, and as similar to PyQt, it it is available for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and mobile. Next one is Kiwi. It is an open source, OpenGL accelerated framework for building new interfaces and experiences for desktop apps. It empowers its user with easy to write and run code on cross platforms. Kiwi made Python desktop application development fun, easy, and rewarding because it is an open source Python library for application development and GUIs. Also, it comes with 20 widgets that enable developers to design natural UIs. Okay, next one is WX Python. It is said that it is one of the best Python framework for desktop application with which we can create GUIs. It can build cross-platform graphical UI with Python programming language, and the WX Python toolkit allows developer to create interactive and natural user interfaces. Okay, it is a simple, fast, and good framework, simple framework. Okay, WX Python is known as Python extension module that binds GUI elements from widget cross-platform library. It is open source with modifiable source code, and users can suggest bugs, design improvements on its website or on its code base. Okay. Next one is Bottle. It is used to generate means it can generate only a single file for each development work created by it. Therefore, Bottle is also known as the most effective programming desktop development framework. Bottle framework allows developer to build application closer to the system hardware and quickly builds APIs. Beginners can use Bottle to learn application development and prototyping with its straightforward user experience. Bottle is available for almost every platform, including mobile. It is one of the most used programming language that makes sense where there are so many frameworks and tools for Pythons, but there are some widely popular and user-friendly Python desktop application frameworks. These frameworks that we had mentioned in the video which will help you in design your projects as you want. You first need to create the requirement, and as per requirement you can select which framework will be best suitable for your project and then start developing it. In this video we had seen 5 frameworks that can be used to design the desktop apps using Python. In next video we will see some interesting things. For now, bye bye. Thank you.